exchange, also on the Shanghai Future Exchange, have all been firmer this morning. The only exception was actually tin. And this is suggesting that there is a little appetite for a follow-through selling after a recent weakness we saw this week. And also as the appetite for riskier assets returned, actually following a fading GameStop or silver style frenzy. And although a stronger dollar is also limiting the gains. As Singapore's metal trader said, the meme stocks are gone, washed down the drain, so no more forced liquidation by funds to pay for the losses on those. So everything can go up now, but commodities upside is kept due to a strong US dollar. That's what the trader said. And if we look at the 3-month prices this morning at the LME, we can see copper is going up by 1.4%, trading at $7,927 a ton. Aluminium is up 0.75%, trading at $2,010 a ton. Zinc is going up almost 1% at $2,663 a ton, while nickel is the biggest gainer this morning with 1.76% right now, trading at $17,925 a ton, while lead is going up 0.86%, trading at $2,054, and tin is almost unchanged, trading around $23,000 a ton, and with a lower backwardation in tin right now at 780 to 1,150. If we look at the precious metals, all precious metals are going up by an average of 0.7% this morning, after we saw a heavy weight down for gold and silver on Thursday, which fall almost 2%. This morning we have prices going up. Gold is going up by 0.2%, the ounce trading at 1,800 almost, while silver is going up by 0.5%, trading at $26.46 an ounce. Platinum is up by 1.5%, trading at 1,113, and the palladium is up by 0.7%, trading at $2,309 the ounce. If we look at the currency side, we can see that the US dollar index is also pushed higher. On Thursday, was quite firm this morning. It was quoted at 91.54 points, where in recent days this week it pushed up through previous highs of 91.06. Right now the euro against the dollar is trading at 119.80 roughly, so a little bit going up. The dollar actually, which was heading for its best weekly gain in 3 months, made greenback priced metals on the LME more expensive for holder of other currencies. So that has been one of the main reasons why we saw also these price corrections during the week. If we look at the economic calendar today, it's quite busy. We had already some data coming out in Japan about the leading indicators, which fell to 94.9% in December after it was at 96.4 in November. The German factory orders, Industrieaufträge, fell by 1.9% month on month in December after it had a gain of 2.7% in November. Data coming out later on today will include French preliminary private payrolls. The trade balance in France will come out. The UK house price index. We will have Italian retail sales numbers coming out. And from the United States, during the afternoon, we will have the monthly employment report and also data on the trade balance as well as on the consumer credit. So on the base metals, they are still for the most part actually in sideways to lower consolidation trading ranges. But what weakness has been seen in recent weeks has not picked up really a downward momentum. So suggesting actually there is a little appetite to reduce the exposure on a large scale. So right now it definitely looks like the underlying uptrends are somehow paused. with the market to expect, of course, a better demand to come through while the physical demand recovers as the year progresses. So needless to say that holding up in high ground comes with its dangers. And don't forget that on the 11th of February, the new year in China will start, where we will have definitely less trading activities regarding the volumes. Have a nice weekend.